Attention! All personals of Site-19, listen carefully to what is about to be said. This is not a drill. O5 Council has requested this. Site-19, which prides itself on its reliability and secrecy, was exposed with the recent Chaos Rebel attack. The Foundation is cooperating with the U.S. government to protect its privacy, and an internet ban will be active around the United States for the next 48 hours. UNGOC soldiers have the right to enter and take over the Foundation due to the exposure of the Site-19, which is jointly protected with the United Nations. Until a second order, never leave the command of UNGOC soldiers. The Internal Security Service is trying to silence the danger. If Site-19 is fully exposed, the scenarios that will happen are Operation Invisible Foundation, Operation Blind Eye. If the ice fails, the head of the ice will be dismissed and one of these two scenarios will be voted by the O5. Level 4 access needed. O5 Council Statement. Site-19 has been eliminated by Operation Invisible Foundation. Work is underway with the U.S. government for a new location. The probable location, Lincoln County, Nevada.